Open Facebook. Click on the menu option in the top right-hand corner. Go down to Settings and Privacy. Click on it and then Settings. Scroll down to transfer a copy of your photos or videos. Click on it so you can transfer photos or videos to another service. Here you choose the destination you want to transfer your photo or videos to. Click on the drop-down menu. Select the destination you are transferring your photos to. I'm transferring to Google Photos, so I will select Google Photos. Here you choose if you want to transfer either photos or videos. Select Photo. Then click on Next. Here you sign into the Google account you want to transfer the photos to if you haven't done so. Give Facebook access to your Google account by clicking on Allow. So you have to confirm the transfer. Photo transfer to Google Photos is pending. Now we are almost through. I have done some transfer to Google Photos which are showing as completed right here. Photo transfer will be completed in less than 30 minutes, just wait a little bit for it. Open your Facebook app, you will get a notification that a copy of your photos was transferred to Google Photos. Click on it. Input your password. Click Continue. Now you can see that the transfer has been completed. Open Google Photos app or go to photos.google.com in your web browser. There you can see photos that were transferred to Google Photos. These are my photos that were transferred from Facebook. Clicking on the menu option, choose Album, and you can see the copy of timeline photos from Facebook. You can download your information into your device also. Just follow these steps. Click on Download your information. Request a copy. Everything you can download to your device is marked by default. All your posts, like and comments, following and followers, messages, groups, events and more, you can literally download everything to your device. For this tutorial, we are going to download just a Facebook post alone. I will unmark everything else except the post since it's what we need. Here you choose the date range of the file you want. You can download everything or choose a certain date range you want. Let's download all post data, so we choose all my data. Here you select the format you want to download the file as. Choose either HTML or JSON. Choose the media quality. Remember this effect file size. The higher the media quality, the higher the file size. Click on Create File and you will be notified when it's ready for download. Open Facebook and check your notifications. Your Facebook information is ready for download. Click on it. This file expires in 4 days' time. Be sure to download it before it expires. Click on Download and it will take you to the download page. Confirm your password here. click to download the zip file.